So about 2 weeks ago, I started hearing kind of a mysterious hum coming from over there. Let me show you my little office in my living room. Window up there. And I can hear it sitting in my living room. It's a lot easier and it's a lot louder at nighttime when all the commotion and traffic and birds and whatnot, all the activity going on. When it's silent, it's actually quite loud. It's kind of annoying. I don't know if the GoPro can pick it up. It might be bouncing off here a little better, but I'll turn the audio up in the video editor right now. I don't know if the GoPro can hear as good as us or not, but what we've got here is homeless camps set up in the woods. We've got Old Frog Hole, for those of you that watched my videos before. There's a man-made little pond in the middle of the woods. We've got the gas company that's built a temporary road through the forest. And so the only thing over there is the Old Frog Hole. There's homeless camps deep in those woods, forest. And it's like a small forest. The original, it's like a big square of the original forest. It's still here, it's over there, connected to a large green belt. There's a fire station, and there's really nothing else over there. So I've been trying to figure out what it might be, and so I figured I'd make this little video today with the hour of light we got left. I think sometimes when the wind blows this way, it gets louder as well. But it kind of sounds like a small airplane. I just started 2 weeks ago. I've lived here for 8 years. I've never heard it before, so it's kind of interesting. I'm very curious to go find what it is. Only things I think it could be, or only things I can think of, would be like an air conditioning unit or a heating unit, a fan on a central air unit of some sorts on a building. Tyson World Headquarters is over here, but the sound's coming from over here. I don't know. Maybe if they've got a piece of equipment. Maybe it's a farm. I was thinking maybe the homeless people have a generator set up, maybe in the middle of the woods. But let's go find out. Gas company reopened a temporary road through there, so we can go directly towards the sound, like the crow, like the vulture would fly. There's a large gas line, brand new gas line they put through here too, up here at the end of this road. I wonder if that could be it. I wonder if it's leaking. Hey, look at this. They've actually dumped gravel down here. I thought something was looking different. They've come down here and dumped some gravel. That's gonna keep this road open for a long time. See, here's a homeless trail. You can see it's well worn. Someone took a lot of time building these trails. This was super dense woods, real nice high quality trails. So I don't really want to go up there, but I might if I can't find what the sound is. There's a street over here that's super loud with cars. I don't know if that's going to affect us or not. So this is almost a legitimate gravel road. See, this is where they stopped dumping. Look at this. See the difference? The forest reclaims the road really fast. They've decided to dump a bunch of gravel down here. The swimming hole is right over here. People were saying maybe it was the gas company that dammed up a natural spring so they could make the road down here, but I don't know. I think that thing's been here for 10-20 years. See, that's the man-made dam there, and these trees growing out of here, some of them might be 20 years old, and I think this gas line's brand new, so I'm sticking with someone made a swimming hole. I could be wrong. That's a good guess though. Gas company may have done that, or maybe the city did it to build this real busy road over here to my left. Could be as well. Okay, I'm gonna get up here and shut the motor off. Here's another trail. Look at this. Look how worn these trails are. I can see a tent up in there. I don't know if the GoPro can see it or not, but looks like someone's coming in and out of here every day. I don't want to be too nosy. People that live around here will be able to tell where I'm at, so. Okay, so I can clearly hear, I don't know if the GoPro can or not, the sound I'm after is over here. I wondered maybe if it was this. It's not that, it's over there. I wonder how far away it is. Okay, I'm gonna go down this street and take the left, the street lights. Curiouser and curiouser. I do believe I found my huckleberry. Well, I didn't think about that. I don't know why I've just started hearing that in the last couple of weeks. Maybe they got a new blower fan, they upgraded or something. That's definitely coming from there. See that exhaust vent right there? I think that's what it is. Well, I don't know. I don't want to get too nosy. I think they're either filling up or emptying. Now they're filling up those trucks. I think it's that vent right there. They must have upgraded to a more powerful deal, whatever that is. Well, I was hoping it'd be more exciting. Yep, there's some nice metal in there. Let's get out of here before they call the cops on us. That's really loud. It runs constantly. It runs all day and all night. It might be actually coming from the top of there. They might be keeping their grain dry. It might be a ventilation deal. It's loud though, I tell you what. There's a lot of houses around here too, down this road this way to my left. They cannot be happy about that, not one bit. I'm about, shoot, I might be almost a mile away in my living room. And it's annoying. I can't imagine what it'd be like living a couple blocks down the road. Huh. I'll show you how close these houses are. Right here. I wouldn't be surprised if that turns into a problem. Can't imagine laying in bed within eyesight of that thing, listening to that. Whoop, 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 whoop. Natural spring down by that big tree in the middle of the woods right there. I've shown on video. I was thinking about putting a critter cam in there. Enjoyed this little video, and as always, thanks for watching.